Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Foetron Academy. My name is Harshwats, and today I am going to introduce you to MySQL server and database. Now, let's go forward and talk about the point to be discussed in this video. So, in this video, I will tell you how to download and install MySQL in your computer and how to create the MySQL server and dataset in MySQL. So this is a broad heading of our video. Now let's go to the Internet Explorer and download, and with each step I will tell you briefly how to do it and create your free database. Now we are in Internet Explorer. So first you have to Google MySQL. After that click on enter. Now you will see the results. In the result section you will click on the first result you will get, that is MySQL, which is a www.mysql.com. So when you click on it you will go into its landing page, which is looking like this. So if you are already an enterprise edition, you don't go for everything which I will show you in this video. You can easily go and use your database and import and export from whomsoever software you want to do it. So I will tell you how to do the server for free and how to make it. So I will go on download section. So when you go on the download section, you have a lot of things in here. Don't go for anything, just go into MySQL community downloads. When you click on MySQL community downloads, you will go into MySQL community downloads. So in here you will go for the MySQL installer for Windows. When you click on it, you will go into the different page. If you want to go for any other operating system apart from the Windows, you can also go for that also. So for particular me, it's Windows. So I will go for this into Windows XE 32-bit MSI installer, which is for 24.5 MB. So I will click on it because there is also another installer which has a lot of other software also. I do not want it. I just want to download this bit. So when I click on download, it will start clicking. So when I click on download, it will take me to this page, which is ask for login and sign up. Don't go for anything, just go no thanks, just start my download. So when you click on it, you will see your downloading will start and your installer will be downloaded within few seconds according to your own internet speed. Mine is fast, you can see. So it is already downloaded. After that, click on it. When you click on it, you will see a new dialog box opens up on your screen, which is preparing to install. So it will take a few seconds to do that. Now after that it will ask your permission. After that, give an administrative permission and it will start downloading. Now you can see MySQL installer 1.4 has been installed in your computer. Now the dialog box is open up, that is MySQL installer. So this is what it looks like after installing. It's a lot of thing, don't go for everything. You won't be able to do that much. If you are server only, client only, full developer default, I don't want to go for that. I just want to make my own simple small server. So I will go for the custom section. In here you will develop your own MySQL server. After that, click on next. So there are a lot of products that is available to you. I don't want to download everything that is available in here. First of all, I will go into the application. I want Workbench because Workbench is compulsory for editing the data set. So just click on something you want. Just go for the latest edition. After that, you will import it into to be installed feature. So application is done. Now I want MySQL server. Now I want a server. So I want this server. This is also imported in your to be installed feature. After that you will see there are a lot of other things that is available to you. Connector, I don't want documentation. If you want it you can do that, but I will show you how to just generate your own MySQL server, which will be a lot of helpful to you if you are into this line. So after that click on next and you will see it will start downloading. So this is what actually is free. You don't have to pay anything. You just have to click on after that execute and you will start downloading. It is and it will be start downloading. So this is completely free and not any cost should be given to create your own server and creating your own data set. So it will take a few seconds to download. As you can see it's already progressed with 50 to 26%. Just take a break and we will get back after it will be downloaded. Now you can see it has been downloaded. Now it's installing. So it will take a few seconds to install. So I will come back after it's been installed in my computer. Now you can see the status of both the product is complete. It has been downloaded and it has been installed in my computer. After that you have to click on next. It will ask you for the product configuration. It is ready to configure. After that click on next. Clicking on so after clicking on that you will have a two option: high availability in a standalone MySQL server, or after that InnoDB clutter. I do not want to go for InnoDB clutter, just I want to go for the classic MySQL. After that next. Now just remember your port because it is very much useful after being introduced into MySQL. So show advanced and logging options also. So if you want to change anything I will cover everything. So if you want to change your pipe name or memory name, you can just click on it. After that, write anything you want. So I'm not changing anything for now. Just click on next. After that, use a strong encryption or use authentication method. It is according to your own desire. I will use a strong password. After that click on next. So this is the most important thing. If you use MySQL you have to make a password because your server is only being used by you or someone who knows the password. Otherwise there is no use of having a server or having a database on a server if it cannot be accessed, or only if can be shared by everyone. What is the use of it? So just make a password. So I just wrote the password. So just remember that your password strength should be strong. After that, if you want to add users, you can also do that. For now, I am not adding someone. If you want to add, just click on add user. After that, username, host, and password, you have to give that. After that, you have to go further. Now I will go further and click on next. Now you will see my service detail is my Windows service name is MySQL 80. So I will click on the standard account type, custom, configure as a Windows service. Just read everything before going for the next section, because if something wrong happen, you won't be able to go back. So I will go next, and after Windows service we have a logging options. You can use this information for the logging. So I don't need to do that. So after that we have a server ID for one. Now this is a lowercase. After that next, so we have the configuration, writing configuration file, updating firewall. So it will be done if you click on it, and the log is also available. So I will execute this. So it will take a few seconds. You can see configuration has been done, updating firewall has been done, Windows service has been done, initializing database will take a little bit of time. You can say here they may now you can see here may take a long time. So we will wait for it. Now you can see all the configuration step has been executed. Now you can see MySQL server was successful. After that, click on finish. So when you click on finish, it will go in here for product configuration. After that, click on next. So the installation procedure has been completed. Copy log to clipboard if you want. I do not want it. So after that, start my SQL workbench. Now you will know that your MySQL server has been created. So it will take a few seconds to start a workbench. After that, I will show you how to log in your server which you just created now. Now you can see MySQL Workbench. In here you will see local instance MySQL 80 because I have created for the local host. That's why it is looking like this. So how to log in your own server which you have just created? Have to click on this. When you click on this, it will take a few seconds and ask for your password which you have entered as a root password. So I will type that. After that, okay. So it will take a few seconds. After that, it will log in your server. Now you can see you have a server here. So how to make and use of it? Now you are in your own server, but you have a server, but you do not have any data set. Now you want to create a data set. So how can I do that? First of all, just click on a create a new schema in a connected server. When you click on it, it will ask for your name. So I will give it a test AB. A/B test. After that, click on apply. So it will ask you for algorithm and log type. I do not want to go there. I just want to create a schema. After that, apply and finish. You will see. So after that, you will see the schema will be generated. In here, you will see action has been done. So in a schema section, you will go A/B test. When you go on a A/B test, you will see a schema there, but there is no table, values, views, or function there. Now we have a schema which is A/B test. So earlier we are in administration, now we are in schema. So we will see there is no table for now. So first of all, set as a default schema so that if you introduce any table to anything, it will be in our A/B test schema. So after that, in here you will see a table option. Create a new table in the active schema in connected server. So when you click on it, you will see the new table being generated. So first of all, create a space for it that you can see easily that what you want to do with your data set. Now just give the name to it, A/B test. Now you have the schema for A/B test. Now write the column name first. It's better to give ID. After that, it is integer. It is primary key. It should be a primary key. After that, just write region. Anything. This is varchar. That means it's anything with a 45 letter. And if you want to change it into anything else, you can also do that. It should be ticked NN so that there should be no null that is available to our data set. Another you can write in spite of region you rate. In spite, so rate would also be in varchar. So we will not create any more. These three will be enough. We are just creating for the sake of knowledge. So now you will see I have created the three column. So these three column should be NN because it won't have any null available within that. After that, click on apply. When you click on apply, you will see MySQL database. that this is a script. If you know MySQL script, you can directly write it. I do not know it, that's why I use that function. After that, click on apply. So it will be executing the statement which you have just wrote. After that, click on finish. So when you finished it, you will see in your data you have tables, but you want to enter something to it. How can you do that? To go into the tables, double click on it. After that, double click on A/B test, and you have a column. So this is how you will look in your database. To add it, now you want to write some information in your tables. How you can do that? Just double click on the tables. After that, you will see A/B test, which you have given name to your table in the A/B test schema. After that, it is very fast procedure to write the. So after that, right click on the mouse, you will see there are a lot of options available to you. But the fastest option to edit your table is select rows limit 1000. So you will see now you have a data which is ID region rate. So write the first ID. Now the region is China. Rate is 20. After that, ID is 2. Region India. 30. You can write something like this and so on so forth. Germany 650 for USA 100. So this is how you will generate a table in MySQL server. So this is a server which is completely online, and the data you have created is also online. You can download and import your data from anywhere. So this is completely free. You don't have to do anything else. So I have just given the brief introduction of the MySQL server and MySQL server and database. After writing everything on it, just click on apply. So when you click on apply, you will see again a script. You just click on apply. You will see your script has been successfully executed. After that, click on finish. So when you again click on A/B test, you will see your data in here. Now this is completely done. Now you have a free MySQL server and database. So this is completely introduction of the workbench, also how to generate table, how to generate your own query, how to generate the schema, everything I have covered briefly. So with this point, I am going to end this video, and I hope your all queries has been completed. If not, kindly write us in comment section and we will surely get back to you. And if this video helps you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have an amazing and good day.